this episode, we're going to be making a Cuban style salmon recipe. So I'm going to marinate the salmon in some luscious orange juice, lime juice, cilantro, garlic. Get it nice and marinated, and we're gonna pop it in the oven and cook it to the perfect temperature. I'm gonna serve this up. We're gonna roll along with the theme. I'm gonna saute some olives, some tomatoes. We're gonna toss that with some cauliflower rice. Yes, we're trying to keep it low carb, y'all. And that's it. It's gonna be super delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to see this recipe. Hey y'all, so right here are the ingredients for marinating the fish. I have some limes, an orange, cumin, smoked paprika. We're going to use a little salt. In that little ramekin, I have onions thinly sliced and a bunch of cilantro. And that's my salmon right there. Over here, how we're going to make the cauliflower rice is we're going to saute down some jalapeños, tomatoes. In the bowl over here, I have scallions. Over here is my cauliflower rice. You can use whatever brand you want. And that's my olives back there. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Now, y'all saw I had 3 limes on the table. That's because y'all know how these limes do. They never have enough juice. But my 1 lime had mad juice in it, and it gave me about 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice. So I was good to go. And then you also want to zest your orange and get all the juice out of your orange. Alright, so all you're going to do is pop your fish down in the marinade. You want to just toss it around like twice, roll it around, and just let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. I think mine's only did 10 minutes, and then I cooked it. So, yeah. Alright, so let's talk anger, being upset, sad, or arguments in a relationship. How I deal with when the storms come in the marriage, the relationships, and how I dealt with it. Me, myself, as a human being. Forget the husband, the boyfriends, forget all of that. Let's talk about us as human beings. The way I react to being upset or someone crossing me or something like that is I shut down. I shut all the way down because I feel like I get so angry, especially when I was younger, and I don't want to say something that I'm not supposed to say, you know. And that, again, that goes back to when you really care about somebody, you go calm down, you come back, and then next thing you have a conversation. So that's what I would do. So if me and him, let's say me and my current husband, we get in an argument, and you know I'm upset. I'll take myself downstairs, not talk to him for like a couple hours just to gather everything. And then once we get back together and have a conversation, it's okay. I'm not saying everyone's situation is that way, because sometimes some arguments, it's going to take a couple days to really get back to, you know, because we had one time that took a couple, you know, to get it back, you know. So sometimes it depends on your situation, but my advice is when you go through something with your partner, don't drag him, don't cuss him out. Guys, don't do it either, and keep your hands to yourself. Don't cuss her out, don't drag her. Take a minute, go drive around the block, go take a walk, do something, then come back and, you know, present a conversation. It doesn't even have to start out with saying, oh, I'm sorry, and get to an understanding as to why it happened. Why did this happen? Versus, oh, you, this. Why did this whole situation happen to begin with? So, and that's how we work things through, and that's how it's been working for us. So that's all I wanted to say on that topic. I hope you guys are taking some of these advice. They work for me. So, and yeah, let's get back to the recipe. All right, guys, so what you want to do is I have about a third cup of my olive mix in here, and I rinsed it off because I wanted to get most of that salt off. It's super salty. You want to get that salt off. And as well as you see here, I don't use any salt on my cauliflower because the olives are just enough. You don't need no salt on top of that. So in my pot here, I melted some butter, added all the ingredients, the jalapeno, the scallions, the olives, and you want to saute the tomatoes. Saute that down for about 10 minutes because you really want to break it down. Next, I added my 2 bags of cauliflower rice, and I seasoned it with garlic powder and black pepper, and that's pretty much it. I didn't do much of anything else. We had enough going on with every other ingredient that's in here. Then I'm going to put the heat on medium, cover it, and let it steam / sear / cook. I don't really add liquid to my cauliflower when I cook it. I just turn the heat down, cover it, and it's fine after that. Alright, so I'm going to put this in a whopping 425-degree oven for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to broil it for 5 minutes, which is going to cause the liquid to reduce and thicken and caramelize. Okay, so don't kill me, you guys. I could not find one of my clips, my footage when I made this green banana. All I did was peel the green banana, sliced it, and fried it. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Peel it, slice it, fry it, deep fry it. And I put it right on top. And this plate looks amazing and beautiful. The food was just so delicious. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and recipes. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.